Top 20 Flutter interview questions. Question 1. What programming language does Flutter use? A. JavaScript. B. Dart. C. Kotlin. D. Swift. The correct answer is B. Dart. Flutter uses the Dart programming language for building applications. Question 2. Which widget is used for unchanging content in Flutter? A. Stateless widget. B. Stateful widget. C. Container. D. Scaffold. The correct answer is A. Stateless widget. Stateless widget is used for static, non-dynamic content. Question 3. Which widget is the root of a Flutter app? A. Run app. B. Material app. C. Scaffold. D. Container. The correct answer is B. Material app. Material app is the root widget of most Flutter applications. Question 4. What is a scaffold widget in Flutter? A. Provides a layout structure. B. Handles user input. C. Manages navigation. D. Fetches data. The correct answer is A. Provides a layout structure. Scaffold provides a basic layout for visual structure. Question 5. How are asynchronous tasks handled in Flutter? A. Async/await. B. Streams. C. Completers. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Flutter supports async/await, streams, and completers for asynchronous programming. Question 6. What is the purpose of setState in Flutter? A. Update the UI. B. Fetch data. C. Navigate to another page. D. Initialize variables. The correct answer is A. Update the UI. setState triggers UI updates when a widget's state changes. Question 7. Which method is used to load Flutter plugins? A. Dependencies. B. pubget. C. pubspec.yaml. D. Flutter install. The correct answer is B. Pubget. Pubget fetches dependencies defined in pubspec.yaml. Question 8. What is the use of Navigator in Flutter? A. Manage navigation stack. B. Create routes. C. Fetch data. D. Handle state. The correct answer is A. Manage navigation stack. Navigator manages navigation and routing between screens. Question 9. What is a feature in Flutter? A. Represents asynchronous computation. B. Handles widget rendering. C. Manages state. D. Manages routing. The correct answer is A. Represents asynchronous computation. Future represents a value that may be available in the future. Question 10. Which tool is used for debugging Flutter applications? A. Flutter DevTools. B. Android Studio. C. Xcode. D. Dart Analyzer. The correct answer is A. Flutter DevTools. Flutter DevTools provides debugging tools for Flutter apps. Question 11. What does the hot reload feature in Flutter do? A. Restarts the app. B. Updates UI without restarting. C. Deletes cache. D. Recompiles dependencies. The correct answer is B. Updates UI without restarting. Hot reload applies code changes without restarting the app. Question 12. Which widget is used to display a scrollable list? A. List view. B. Grid view. C. Scroll view. D. Column. The correct answer is A. List view. List view displays a scrollable list of widgets. Question 13. What is the primary UI rendering engine in Flutter? A. React. B. Skia. C. SwiftUI. D. Jetpack Compose. The correct answer is B. Skia. Flutter uses Skia for high-performance rendering. Question 14. What is the default package manager for Flutter? A. Pub. B. NPM. C. Pip. D. Composer. The correct answer is A. Pub. Flutter uses Pub for dependency management. Question 15. What are Flutter widgets primarily? A. UI components. B. Data models. C. Services. D. API handlers. The correct answer is A. UI components. Widgets are the building blocks of Flutter's UI. Question 16. Which widget allows stacking of other widgets? A. Stack. B. Column. C. Row. D. Container. The correct answer is A. Stack. The stack widget overlays widgets on top of each other. Question 17. Which command is used to create a new Flutter project? A. Flutter new. B. Flutter init. C. Flutter create. D. Flutter build. The correct answer is C. Flutter create. Flutter create initializes a new Flutter project. Question 18. What does the container widget do? A. Adds padding and margins. B. Creates routes. C. Handles navigation. D. Manages global state. The correct answer is A. Adds padding and margins. Container adds structure with padding, margins, and decoration. Question 19. What does the Future Builder widget do? A. Builds UI based on asynchronous data. B. Builds lists. C. Handles navigation. D. Manages state. The correct answer is A. Builds UI based on asynchronous data. Future Builder dynamically updates UI based on future completion. Question 20. Which command runs a Flutter app on a connected device? A. Flutter start. B. Flutter run. C. Flutter build. D. Flutter deploy. The correct answer is B. Flutter run. Flutter run launches the app on a connected device.